Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to dive deep into the science behind muscle recovery and provide tips for achieving faster results. Proper muscle recovery is essential for building strength and avoiding injuries. After an intense workout, our muscles experience small tears and damage at the cellular level. Without adequate rest and recovery, these tears can accumulate and lead to overtraining and burnout. So if you want to get stronger in the gym without sacrificing your health, optimizing your post-workout recovery is crucial. In this video, we'll break down the science and provide actionable strategies you can implement today. Let's get started. The science of muscle recovery. When we strength train, we create microscopic tears in our muscle fibers through a process called mechanical loading. This triggers localized inflammation and soreness, which is why you may feel stiff and achy after an intense training session. While this muscle damage may sound counterproductive, it actually kickstarts several beneficial processes that allow our muscles to adapt and become stronger. The first step is satellite cell activation. Satellite cells are muscle stem cells that exist in a dormant state along the muscle fiber. When mechanical stress is applied, these satellite cells activate, proliferate, and fuse to existing muscle fibers, allowing the fibers to regenerate and grow. Next, existing muscle fibers increase production of muscle protein subunits called myofibrils. This adds more contractile material within the muscle cells, increasing their size and capability for force production. Both satellite cell activation and myofibril protein synthesis are mediated by anabolic or muscle-building hormones like testosterone, growth hormone, and IGF-1. The spike in these hormones after exercise initiates the process of muscle repair and growth. In addition to building muscle, the body also repairs connective tissue by synthesizing new collagen to reinforce tendons and ligaments. So in summary, the muscle damage we create during training triggers several coordinated processes to repair and fortify our muscles and connective tissues. This makes them bigger, stronger, and more resilient over time. Now that we understand what's happening at the cellular level, let's discuss how we can optimize these processes for faster recovery. Tips for faster recovery. Tip number 1. Refuel with protein and carbs. After training, our muscles are primed for repair and growth. But to maximize this response, we need to provide our muscles with adequate protein and carbohydrates. Protein provides the amino acid building blocks to synthesize new muscle proteins. Aim to consume 0.25-0.3 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight within 2 hours post-workout. High-quality sources include whey, casein, eggs, and lean meats. Carbs replenish muscle glycogen to restore energy levels. Aim for 1.5 grams of carbs per kilogram of body weight. Choose nutrient-dense carbs like quinoa, sweet potatoes, and fruits. For optimal results, have a mix of both protein and carbs as your post-workout meal or snack. This could include a protein shake with fruit, eggs with sweet potato, or grilled chicken with quinoa. Tip number 2. Take advantage of the anabolic window. Research shows that protein synthesis rates peak within 24 hours after training, with the largest surge occurring within the first few hours. This is called the anabolic window of opportunity. By consuming a post-workout meal high in protein and carbs during this window, you'll maximize muscle growth. Aim to get this meal in within 45 minutes after training. If needed, have a protein shake immediately after your workout, then follow up with a whole food meal 1-2 hours later. Tip number 3. Prioritize sleep. While nutrition provides the raw materials for recovery and growth, sleep is when most of the muscle building actually occurs. During deep sleep cycles, your body releases large pulses of growth hormone, boosting muscle protein synthesis. Poor sleep disrupts this process and limits gains. Aim for 7-9 hours per night. Establish a relaxing pre-bed routine and limit screen time before bed to optimize sleep quality. Tip number 4. Consider supplementation. The right supplements can further accelerate recovery. Here are some of the top options. Creatine helps rapidly regenerate ATP energy stores within the muscle cells. 5 grams per day is effective. Branched-chain amino acids, or BCAAs, provides muscle cells with raw amino acid material for growth. 6 grams between meals or pre-post workout is effective. Omega-3 reduces inflammation, allowing for faster healing of muscle tissue. 2 grams of fish oil per day. Tart cherry juice, a natural anti-inflammatory. 1 cup twice per day. Whey protein, a fast-digesting protein source to maximize the anabolic window. 20-40 grams post-workout. Tip number 5, take rest days. While exercise stimulates muscle growth, the actual growth occurs when we rest. Allow 72 hours between training the same muscle groups to give your body adequate recovery time. You can train different muscle groups on consecutive days, like chest and back, but avoid working the same muscles on back-to-back days. Listen to your body and take additional rest days whenever you feel excessive soreness or fatigue building up. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more science-backed fitness content. And if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please leave them in the comments below.